Let's start by printing to the screen here the list of threads. We are doing here a call to the server that is returning the whole data of the user. We are doing here a call to the server, but if we filter here the network tab by API, we are seeing that no HTTP request is made at this point. And this is because load user threads returns an observable, but we have not subscribed to that observable, so without a subscription nothing will happen. Let's then subscribe to the observable and for the moment simply log to the console the data that we are receiving. So if we hit Ctrl S, we are going to trigger a rebuild of the UI. So now we can see here that we have a call to /API/threads. Let's see at this stage what we have in the console. So as expected, we have here the data that corresponds to the HTTP request. Now notice the data that we are receiving. This is not a view model that we are going to immediately associate to the thread section component. This is actually a slice of the database that is user specific that we have just retrieved from the backend. Instead of passing it directly to the view, what we're going to do is we are going to send it to a central location, the store, and we are going to save the data there. So in order to save our data, our domain model data in a central location, we are going to need a store. For that, we are going to install ngrx store. This is a library that is very similar to Redux. It's inspired on Redux. It's a predictable state container for our application. Unlike Redux, ngrx store is based on RxJS. Once the installation is completed, the first thing that we need to define is what is the type of the application state. So what goes inside the store? Again, we're going to use TypeScript to do that. It's coming right up in the next lesson.